how to change calendar time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this three-line icon and click on the Settings icon. Now in Calendar Settings, scroll down, and you will see log time zone is here. If you want to change calendar time zone, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see time zone is here. Click on time zone. So you will change. So you will change time zone from here. And after change time, turn off this button. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the calendar time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.